Hi lovely friends. Today I'll show you an easy way to use Android phone or tablet as second monitor wireless wired. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. Step 1. Setup on your PC or laptop. First, go to Google and search for Spacedesk. Once the search results appear, click on the first link. On the website, you'll see a Windows button on the right side. Click on it. Now, based on your version of Windows, download the correct version of Spacedesk. Once the download is complete, you'll see a file icon. Click on it to open. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. When the installation window opens, click Next. You can read the agreement if you'd like. Then check the box and click Next again. Click Next, then Next again, and finally, Install. After installation is complete, click Finish. If Spacedesk doesn't appear on your desktop, you can search for it in the Windows search bar and open it from there. Once Spacedesk is open, you'll see a lot of settings. Don't worry, you only need to change one setting. Click on USB cable driver Android and make sure that local area network and USB cable Android options are turned on. Step 2. Setup on your phone or tablet. So now we've only completed the setup on the PC, about 50% done. Let's move to the phone. Open the Play Store on your phone and search for Spacedesk. Download and install the Spacedesk app. Once installed, open the app. You might see a pop-up. Just press OK. Now your PC or laptop should automatically be detected in the app. Simply tap Connect. And that's it. You can now see that your Android phone or tablet is successfully working as a second monitor. To disconnect, just press the 3 lines menu icon and choose Disconnect. If your device connected successfully, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.